Hey guys, Saint Soldier here. As you can see, I'm in my cousin's studio. Yeah, see, box of prints. See, yeah. So this is the studio. I mean, her office. Sorry. Yeah. So as you can see, it's a massive, massive office. Family business. See. Yeah, it's a bit. So I was. Yeah. So right now I'm just here. Yeah, by myself at the moment. Yeah, since you come. You know. Yeah. It's beautiful. And guys, if you want to know about box of the prints, please click on the link in the description to find out more information about what my cousin is doing. Yeah, so if you need t-shirt, shirt, fabric, materials, anything you need, anything relating to clothing, yeah, you're welcome to you're welcome to go to Box of Prints Instagram page. You can go on the website to find out more information. Okay, yeah, it's Saint Soldier here. All right, and I just want to thank you guys for for the 100 subscribers. Yeah, big up my YouTube family. Yeah, cause see me when it comes to subscribers, I don't want to use people. YouTube family. Yeah, same family. We call it same family. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna be out. Peace. Blessed love. Yeah. I'm out.